Welcome to the GALILEO Bento search. Released on July 19, 2021 as a part of Phase 2 of the GALILEO redesign, the GALILEO Bento sorts results into groups by type. For example, if you are assigned to use scholarly journals or primary documents in your research, when using the Discover search with Bento enabled, those items are sorted into appropriate groupings, also known as bento boxes. The Bento option is available in elementary, middle, and high school views for our K-12 and public libraries, and in the GALILEO full view. You can turn the Bento on and off by simply using the toggle switch under the search box. You can still use the GALILEO Classic Search anytime, and is still the default GALILEO search. I've turned on the Bento option, and I'm looking for information on Georgia and civil rights. Note that I can quickly identify scholarly articles and primary documents by using the boxes. Each box contains 5 results, but you can expand the list by either clicking on the pill button for each category at the top, or by scrolling to the end of the Bento box results and clicking on the Show More Results option. Either option provides a full list of search results for that category in a new window. To access full text, click on the full text button for an ebook or an article. For more search options, you can click on Refine Search. You may then use the facets and limiters to narrow down your results. We hope you will enjoy the new GALILEO Bento search. If you have any comments or questions about the GALILEO Bento search, go to Support and use the Technical Support form to contact GALILEO.